What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Eric. Today I'm here with my dog Kratos. He's actually inside right now. We're actually gonna do a quick video just because my breeder told me that it's pretty good to feed him raw meat. So I thought it was a good idea to just give him a whole chicken today. So we're gonna give him a whole chicken. We're gonna see how, well, even if he eats the whole chicken, just because I've never fed him raw meat before. This is gonna be his first time. His name is Kratos. He's a kind of Corso Italian Mastiff. Dude is a beast. Dude is right now he's looking at
so critters are like chicken, so turkey or whatever this is. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for him, cook it for like an hour or so, and then we'll give it back to him.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.